video of QST. Today we will be doing Math IGCSE 4.2. So let's get started. The function given by y is equal to negative 8x cubed plus 24x minus 10 has two local extreme values. The abscissa of one of these local extreme values is x is equal to 1. What is the abscissa of the second local extreme value? Okay, so first we need to find the derivative. Okay, and to find that, we take that backwards. So negative 8x cubed plus 24x minus 10. It's going to negative 8 times 3, so negative 24. X becomes 2 plus 24, there's no other x there, so we just cancel out this x, 24. And negative 10 does not have a variable, so we just cancel out the negative 10 itself. So this is the new derivative. Now we need to find the x's that will make this equal to 0. So put them in a calculator. Mod 5 3 will give you, and now add them, put the values in, will give you 1 and negative 1. They already give you 1, so you just have to put a negative 1. Okay, next one. Okay, consider the function given by y is equal to 3x squared minus 5x plus 7. Which of the following is true? Okay, now firstly let's find the derivative. So 3x squared minus 5x plus 7, derivative 6, because we multiply 3 and 2, x minus, the variable cancels out, minus 5. There's no variable for 7, so there's no 7 now. So 6x minus 5 is the variable, so the first option is correct. Now let's find what x is equal to make this 0. So x here, when we take it to the other side, is going to be x is equal to 3 over 8. Okay, now, oh sorry, not 3 over 8, that's next one, is equal to 5 over 6, yes, 5 over 6. Okay, x is equal to 5 over 6. So this one is wrong because it said this option said that x is equal to 0. No, the answer will be 0 when x is equal to 6 over 5. No, it's 5 over 6. Okay, now dy over dx is less than 0 when x is less than 5 over 6. Okay, so basically we can do a graph here. Okay, I'm going to tell you a few rules. So whenever we have a derivative, okay, and the first one, the leading variable, if x is 1, then the graph will be opposite same. If it's x square, is going to be same opposite same. X cube or anything else is going to be substitution. Okay, so for here we had 6x minus 5. Now if we're going to do the graph, we can put here over here. Okay, we have 5 over 6, which will give you 0. 5 over 6, this one is 6. The leading coefficient is 6, and 6 is positive. It's not negative 6, it's positive 6. So opposite of the positive is going to be negative, and negative is going to be this way, and then opposite same. So after opposite is the same, so it's going to be positive, so it's this way. So from here you can see at 5 over 6 is 0, and anything before 5 over 6 is negative. So 5 over 6 is the minimum. It's the minimum. Okay, in a graph, this is 5 over 6. It's the minimum. So anything below is negative. Anything before it is going to be negative. Okay, so dy over dx is less than 0 when x is less than 5 over 6. Like, you can even put it on the calculator if you want. You can substitute the value for something less than 5 over 6, you're gonna get 0. Okay, this function values are increasing for x is greater than 5 over 6. Yes, because like we said in the graph that we drew, it's going to be 5 over 6. After this, it's going to be increasing. Yeah, it's positive. The functions are going to be increasing because 5 over 6 is the minimum. Okay, not the maximum, the minimum. It's only going to increase from here, right? That's why this one is correct. So those are three. And function has a local maximum x is equal to 5 over 6? No, because 5 over 6 is the minimum. Okay. Consider the function given by y is equal to 4x4 minus 2x cubed. Which of the following is true? Select the two correct options. Okay, so first we have to find the derivative. We always find the derivative. So 4x4 minus 2x cubed. 4 times 4, 16 x cubed minus 2 times 3, 6 x squared. Okay, now to find what makes this equal to 0, we put mod 5 4, mod 5 is mod 5 4, and then you put the values in. So you get you put 16 minus 16 0 0, we get 1 and 0. Wait, I made a mistake. 16. Oh, negative 6, not 16. Okay. You get negative 6. Okay. Yes, you get 3 over 8 and 0. So x is 3 over 8 and 0. Okay. So, first option, dy over dx is equal to 16x cubed minus 6x. No, this is wrong because we found the derivative to be minus 6x squared. Okay. dy over dx is equal to 0 for x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3 over 8. Yes, we found the roots to be 3 over 8 and 0, which makes the derivative 0. Now, dy over dx is less than 0 for x is less than 3 over 8. Okay, let's do it. So, we have this, the variable, the sign of the variable, the power of the variable is 3. And we said that when it's 3 or more, it's going to be substitution. So, let's do the graph. This is the graph. Okay, we have 0 here and 3 over 8. It's going to be 0 0. Now to substitute, we need to find two values in here, 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 here and here. Okay, so a value before 0 could be negative 1. We're going to choose negative 1 for this. Okay, now we have to substitute negative 1 into the equation. So we found the derivative 16x cubed minus 6x squared. 16x will be negative 1 cube minus 6 negative 1 squared. We will get negative 22. Negative 22 is downwards because it's negative, so here or there. Okay, and now a value between 0 and 3 over 8, we can choose 1 over 4, okay, which is 0.25. 3 over 8 is, when you do it in the calculator, you can see it's 0.375, and 1 over 4 quarter will be 0.25. So when we put 1 over 2, 1 over 4, it'll be, we substitute 1 over 4 and we will get negative answer. So it's again going to be 0. Okay, it's not again going to be negative. Okay, now a value greater than 3 over 8. 3 over 8 we can choose 1, like we chose negative 1 here, we can choose 1. So when you replace 1 in, we're going to get a positive value. Okay, when we get a positive value, it goes upwards. Okay, so the minimum point is going to be before 3 over 8. That's the minimum point. This is the saddle because 0 is the saddle, because it even after it reaches 0, it goes down. It goes even more down. Okay, and then at the minimum point, and then it goes up again. So dy over dx is less than 0 for x is less than 3 over 8, because 3 over 8 3 over 8 is 0, and before it, it's going to be over here, it's going to be negative. Like over here, actually no, like all the way here, it's going to be negative over here. Okay. Yes, guys, and this is obviously false because that just contradicts what we just proved. The curve has a local minimum at x is equal to 0. No, it does not have a local minimum because it is a saddle, not it's not the final point. Right. Alright guys, well, that's it for this one.